If you've ever waited hours for clothes to air dry or hauled laundry down flights of stairs just to use a shared machine, you already know how frustrating drying can be. The truth is, not all portable dryers are built the same. Some are perfect for small apartments, others are great for travel, and a few deliver surprisingly powerful performance in a compact size. That's why we put together this list of the 8 best portable dryers. Each one here is designed for a different space, setup, and lifestyle. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these portable dryers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Roll-It-Will's Portable Dryer. This is the best budget compact dryer on our list. Right away, the biggest advantage here is affordability in a genuinely small footprint. It's foldable, lightweight, and built for tight living spaces. So if you're in a dorm, apartment, RV, or even a temporary setup, it doesn't demand much room. And when you're done, you just fold it down and slide it into a closet or corner. That flexibility makes it especially practical for people who don't want a permanent appliance sitting out all the time. It feels more like a smart accessory than a bulky machine. And then there's the convenience factor. You get remote control operation, which means you can start, pause, or adjust settings without hovering over it. That small touch actually makes daily use feel smoother. Even though it's compact, it offers a capacity of 33,024.5 cubic centimeters. That's enough for 4 to 6 lightweight items after spin drying. With 900 watts of heating power, it works efficiently when excess moisture has already been removed. And it's also built from durable plastic or alloy steel for lasting use. Plus, the built-in LED UV hygiene technology helps freshen garments while they dry. So if you want something affordable, compact, and genuinely easy to live with, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 7 is the Black Plus Decker BCED 37. This is the best settings dryer on our list. What really makes this one stand out is control. You get 4 drying modes including air dry, cool, warm, and hot. That means you're not stuck guessing. You can match the setting to the fabric, the load size, or even just how dry you want things to feel. And because of that flexibility, it works just as well for everyday clothes as it does for heavier items. It's powered by 1,500 watts, so it doesn't feel underpowered. At the same time, built-in overheat protection keeps everything running safely and consistently. Now, the capacity is impressive too. With 3.5 cubic feet of space, it handles up to 13.2 pounds per load. That's enough for sheets, towels, or multiple outfits at once. And since it plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet with a regular 3-prong plug, setup stays simple, no complicated wiring. By Heatway, it also includes a stainless steel drum, a 4-inch vent hose, exhaust connector, and lint and exhaust filters. Drying times range from 30 to 200 minutes. So you've full control depending on what you're drying. And here's what Joshua says: "After testing it out on my bed sheets and comforter, I can attest that this dryer is fairly exceptional. I did the sheets and queen-size comforter as 2 different loads, but it dried them just as fast, if not faster, than a normal dryer." So if you want a compact dryer that gives you real customization and the confidence to handle everything from daily wear to bedding, this one delivers. Number 6 is the Panda 3200. This is the best spin dryer on our list. The reason it earns that title is speed. It runs at 3,200 RPM, and that high-speed rotation pulls water out of clothes incredibly fast. In just minutes, garments come out almost dry instead of dripping. That alone can cut your overall drying time dramatically. And because of that efficiency, it's especially useful for hand-wash laundry. Instead of wringing clothes manually, you let the machine do the hard work. It saves time, it saves effort, and it makes laundry day feel lighter. It also holds up to 22 pounds, which is impressive for a compact spin dryer. The stainless steel drum and outer case add durability, so it's built to handle frequent use without feeling fragile. And setup is refreshingly simple. It uses gravity draining, so you can place it on any flat surface and position a bucket underneath to collect water. No sink hookup, no plumbing, you just plug into a standard 110-volt outlet and start spinning. And here's what Sarah says: "By choice, my husband and I wash all of our clothes by hand. The wringing is the hard part. With this product, our laundry days have become a breeze. We're amazed by how quickly the machine works to spin dry clothes. I highly recommend this product to others. So if you want to remove most of the moisture before air or tumble drying and seriously speed up the process, this one's incredibly efficient. Number 5 is the Effigy S3. This is the most intuitive dryer on our list. What really sets it apart is the one-click intelligent control. It uses multiple temperature and humidity sensors to monitor the load in real time. And once your clothes are dry, it automatically stops. You don't have to check it, you don't have to guess. It adjusts for you. That smart control system makes everyday use feel effortless. You load it, tap once, and let it handle the rest. It runs on 1050 watts of power and uses dual variable frequency motors. That means a 1-to-1 forward and reverse rotation pattern, which helps separate garments evenly. The result is consistent 360 degrees drying and fluffier clothes. And you also get 8 drying modes, including a special silk setting for delicate fabrics. Plus, there are 3 temperature levels, time drying options, and even a dedicated shoe drying function that dries the interior without rotation. It includes an extra iron shelf specifically for shoes, which adds versatility. Inside, the stainless steel drum is supported by dual fine filters and a removable magnetized dust barrier to capture hair and lint efficiently. And because there's no drainage or installation required, you simply plug it in and start using it right away. So if you want a modern touchscreen dryer that feels intelligent and practically manages itself, this one stands out immediately. And if you want to know the latest prices for the hot water heaters discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Mojoko Portable Dryer. This is the best compact travel dryer on our list. Right away, portability is what sets it apart. It's lightweight, foldable, and incredibly easy to move around. So whether you're in a small apartment, staying in an RV, or heading out on a trip, it fits without taking over your space. And even though it's compact, it's surprisingly capable. It can handle up to 9 clothing items at once, which makes quick load simple. The fast-drying system combines heat and airflow to remove moisture efficiently. And clothes can dry in as little as 50 minutes. That's a huge upgrade from hanging garments overnight. On top of that, it runs quietly. So you can dry clothes while working or relaxing without constant noise in the background. The built-in timer gives you control over the cycle length, which makes everyday use feel effortless. Plus, it includes built-in LED UV to help freshen garments during the drying process. And because it's designed for smaller loads, it uses less energy than a full-size dryer. So if you want something compact, travel-friendly, and easy to live with, this one makes everyday drying feel simple. Number 3 is the Sun Portable Dryer. This is the best traditional controls dryer on our list. The first thing you notice is the classic dial interface. It uses a simple knob control system, so everything feels familiar and easy. You select your setting, turn the dial, and let it run. No learning curve here. And it's powered by 850 watts, reaching temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for dependable drying. For best performance, it handles up to 5.5 pounds per load, which makes it ideal for daily essentials like t-shirts, sleepwear, or baby clothes. Because of its compact frame at 19.5 by 16.5 by 24 inches, and a weight of 37 pounds, placement stays flexible. You can mount it on the wall with the included kit, place it on a countertop, or keep it freestanding on level ground. Plus, it also features a stainless steel tub for durability and a multi-filtration system that helps capture lint effectively. And if the door opens mid-cycle, it automatically stops for safety. So if you prefer a traditional dial-based dryer that feels straightforward and reliable, this one delivers exactly that experience. Number 2 is the Panda Portable Dryer. This is the best value dryer on our list. What makes it stand out immediately is the balance of size and performance. It offers 1.5 cubic feet of capacity and runs on an 850 watt motor, handling up to 10 pounds of wet laundry per load. That gives you real usability without needing a full-size machine. And it reaches up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, helping clothes dry thoroughly while remaining gentle on fabrics. You can choose from cold, warm, hot, and air dry modes. That makes it flexible enough for everything from t-shirts to towels. In addition, the 3-layer filter system helps trap lint and hair, and it's easy to remove for cleaning. It plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet. So, setup stays simple, and the see-through door opens to 105 degrees, which makes loading comfortable. And if the door is opened during operation, it shuts off automatically. You can even install it freestanding, stacked, or wall-mounted depending on your space. So if you want dependable performance, practical capacity, and installation flexibility in one compact machine, this one offers serious overall value. Number 1 is the U-Homey Portable Dryer. This is the best overall dryer on our list. The reason it earns that spot is balance. It delivers 1.5 cubic feet of capacity with an 850-watt motor and reaches up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It handles up to 10 pounds of wet laundry while staying compact enough for apartments, dorms, and RV setups. And it gives you real flexibility. You get cold, warm, hot, and air dry modes, with time ranges from 0 to 200 minutes depending on the setting. High and low heat can be selected independently, which helps you tailor each load. It also runs quietly, so it won't interrupt conversations or sleep. The 105-degree wide-angle door makes loading simple, and if the door's open during operation, it automatically stops for safety. Plus, the triple-layer lint filter helps trap debris efficiently. It includes an exhaust fitting and mounting hardware for flexible placement. And here's what Terry says: "This little dryer makes my apartment much nicer. I can't get down the stairs to the full-size laundry facilities. This mighty little dryer makes my clothes soft. The wrinkles are very small or non-existent." So, if you want a well-rounded portable dryer that combines power, flexibility, and apartment-friendly convenience, this one truly stands out. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect water heater. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each water heater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.